Hey guys, so just got delivery of my new iPhone. It's the iPhone SE, the red edition. You can see it's a 64 GB. The iPhone it comes with the ear pods with lightning connector. Let's have a look. What's in the box? You know, the thing I like about Apple is very slick, right? So you get little stickers. The Red product, partnership with Red. Get a little pin to put the SIM card in. And it's just a very quick guide on how to turn the phone on, as well as the charging and the Touch ID. It's pretty cool. So here's the phone. You can see it's nice and red. You know, even the packaging, they think so much, right? Look. Alright, get the UK adapter for it. Norm. And you get the headphones, which is the special connecting ones. Put that here. And you got the lightning cable. Let's see what else we have. And that's it. That's the unboxing of the iPhone SE Red. Thank you for watching.